Meaning of Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a genetic disorder that results in physical and intellectual disabilities. It occurs when there are 3 copies of the 21st chromosome instead of 2, causing developmental delays and characteristic facial features. Common health problems for those with Down syndrome include heart defects, hearing and vision problems, and thyroid issues. However, with early intervention and access to healthcare, individuals with Down syndrome can lead fulfilling lives and make meaningful contributions to their communities.